Welcome to Center Computer and Application Setting. Today, I will teach you how to create multiple Firefox browser profiles. So here we go. You can see I have already two different profiles on Firefox under one single browser, Firefox browser. So I'm going to create another profile now. So you can create multiple profiles, 10 profile, 15 profile, for example. If you're in a family and using one computer, you can create different profile on each person. So every of your history and browsing history will be private. Nobody's going to access your profile. It is good this way if you in a family use a particular computer to browse all the time. So every of you should have his or her own profile. So now I'm going to show you how to create another profile, adding to this one in Firefox. So create profile. So it's going to open now. The window is going to open, asking you to choose the color you prefer. Okay, I got to choose orange, or let me choose yellow. You can change it or whatever anytime you want it. So done creating. I will write the name, Evan. Okay. Now you're going to click above here to sign in with your Google account. Okay, you're going to type the email address. Okay. The password. You're going to save the password. You can save the password so it'll be easy for you to log in next. Okay. A code is being sent to the email address, so you're gonna check and get a code to sign. I haven't received any code yet, so I'm waiting. Oh, sorry, I'm in the wrong. Let me check it. All right, okay. Okay, I've got the code, so okay. Synco is on. You're gonna synco all your browsing history and bookmark, if any. Okay, so you've now logged in. You can see the account. So this is how to create a second browser or a third browser profile on Firefox. If I close this now, I click again to open it. It's a little bit slow. Okay, you can see I have now 3 different profiles. This is the one I just created, Evan. So any member that comes in, you go to his account and click on it. It is a good idea to use a separate profile, a separate browser profile on each person using one computer. So browsing history and bookmarks and website you visit, everything you are doing on that particular browser will be separate and unique to you. So this is how to create another profile in Firefox browser. Thanks for watching. So if this is of a great benefit to you, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Have a good day.